Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shari Sweet here with another try on haul. Today's items will be from PrettyLittleThing. I'm not gonna ramble too much. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you really like it, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well as the bell down below so you can stay up to date with all my postings, and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so the first item are these sweatpants, nice and thick material. It's a nice blue color with this like vibrant orange double stripe down the sides. It does have pockets, elastic waistband, and a drawstring. Inside, these sweats are aligned, and I wanted this for a while. I just like the contrast of the two colors. But this is how they look. Nice, comfortable throw on. You could dress it up or style it up rather, however you like, but this is the first item. Alright, next two pieces are actually set that are sold separately. This is a blue seamless workout outfit. It's more like a grayish blue, not super bright, but I love it. This sports bra is padded, and I still do have my bra underneath. But you do, of course, not need to wear a bra because it is a sports bra itself. It is pretty snug fitting, maybe like medium fit, not like ultra tight. This is the back. And then these are the leggings that come all the way down to the ankle. Yeah, this is very comfortable. I feel like I can, do my exercises. I won't have any mishaps. You can pull this up if you don't want too much midriff showing. But yeah, I really like this outfit. One of my get back to the gym outfits. But yeah, this is the next outfit. I was gonna get this item in a sage green set, but for some reason the blue was a little bit cheaper, and I figured it was a good way to save a little bit. And I do like this blue, and I also don't have a lot of blue clothing, so I figured why not? Okay, next item I just threw on over the same workout set. It's just this drop sleeve padded shoulder like muscle tee, which is trending right now. This item, I don't know, I like muscle tee, so I was like, let me try the padded look. Not sure that it's for me, which is totally fine. It might be somebody else's cup of tea. Also, the way they constructed this, it looks like just a t-shirt, literally rough edge cut out, and then they just took a part of the sleeve that was on a regular t-shirt, tucked in shoulder pad, and just stitched at the end of it. So like, I could have did this, but it's fine. Of course, it wasn't too pricey, but still. I'll probably wear it, tuck it into some nice fitted jeans, some high boots, some booties, dress it up some kind of way. I make this work somehow. But yeah, I'm not as crazy about it as I thought I would be, but it's all right. It'll get at least the wear. And this is how low the arm cutout goes. Yeah, I feel like a football player. Next two items are just two-piece set. These are like a dual pack t-shirts. This one I chose came in black and white, and I got this in a US 6, my typical size. It looks a bit oversized, so let's see how it looks. Can't go wrong, always need some basic tees. So this is one in the 2-pack. This is black, basic black tee. I don't know what much you can say about it. It works. And then it also came, like I said, it was a 2-pack, so I also got it in white as well. Alrighty, next item is this midi dress, ribbed cotton material, black and white stripes. It actually says the color is cream. I was looking at this closely. It looks kind of navy blue. At least the stripes look navy blue to me. But I also thought that basic tee I just tried on was navy blue, so I don't know, maybe it's the lighting in my eyes, I don't know. But it's long sleeve, like I said, buttons down the middle, row buttons, so I just unbuttoned a few and jumped right into it. I like this. It's a nice casual dress. I like stripes, so this is my steez. It has a little opening here at the end with no buttons, if you mind that. And yeah, like I said, it comes like just below my knees. Nice casual vibes. The material is pretty thick. It's ribbed, it has stretch. I just opened one of the buttons on the bottom by a slight movement, so just be mindful of that. But yeah, I like this. Pretty simple, and you can adjust the buttons up top or bottom, of course, how you'd like. If you wanted to keep some open, if you wanted to button them all, totally up to you. But here's the item. Let's move on to the next. All right, next item is a 2-piece set. What's the name of this? Charcoal gray ribbed plunge bralette with matching shorts. They are sold separately. So I like this. I thought it was so cute. I was gonna get like 3 of these sets, but I just got 2. So this first color is a charcoal color. I did try this on to show it on camera, but it's a lot of boob action going on. So I'm just gonna show you the bra itself, all right? You can see the model on the website. But it does come with these thin adjustable straps in the back, rib material for the bust area, no padding, and then a wide elastic band that runs from front to back. It doesn't have any clasp or anything, so this you literally just pull over your head. And then, like I said, it has the matching shorts. I just thought this was a nice, comfortable loungewear set. I like the seams. It reminds me of like men's boxers. I just thought it was cute. And like I said, I got it in cream. I got it in cream. These are the shorts with the same style stitching. And then the matching bralette, again, adjustable. This is all cream, so I thought that was really adorable. And the last item I got was a logo tape high-waist lingerie set in size medium, and I opened the package and I just got the top. This is not the set that I ordered. I double checked my email to make sure I wasn't bugging out, even though the tag said set. I'm like, let me check. And I'm missing briefs, so pretty little thing, you owe me. That's disappointing, but this is similar style, but it does have the connection in the middle. It has the PLT stitch logo right in the center, adjustable straps, and this is like more that soft, stretchy cotton material for the breast. So yeah, unhappy that I did not receive briefs along with this, but like I said, I guess I'll reach out to them. All right, guys, as usual, I thank you so much for watching. Remember to give it a like and click the subscribe button if you really like it to stay up to date with all my content. Thanks for watching.